the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So now I'm looking at the vitamin.
Okay, so this is our ingredients for make a vitamin ball. Like I tell you, the elephant they eat 10% of their weight, so about 200 kilograms per day per elephants. So they have to digest 15% of the eat. Yes, digest. So about 30 kilograms.
Yeah.
Every day.
Yeah.
So this is for digestion, especially the daytime.
The vitamin balls are really important to help the elephants digest their food and not get sick. So today I'm learning how to make these balls.
Sorry.
We must mash up the ingredients like this palm sugar so they're easy to digest.
The palm sugar. The palm sugar makes it taste good.
My arms got really tired. Luckily, my dad could sub in and help me.
It's like Eli's elephant cooking show.
Next, we had to put everything on the plate to mix it up. The bananas smelled really good. Then we added in sour tamarind, which was like a magical health tonic for the elephants.
Before we don't have the probiotics, we use sour tamarind for make medicine for the elephants.
Okay.
Especially for digestion.
Last, we added in the salt. Then came the fun part. We had to mix all of the ingredients up with our hands.
Yeah, boy.
After the ingredients are mixed up well, we have to grab some handfuls of the batter and make it into ball shapes. It was time to call the elephants over to feed them their delicious treats. It looks like the granny could smell the amazing elephant balls from across the camp.
Are you okay, mate? You better count the number. Oh my gosh. Oh, you okay?
Don't worry, I was completely fine. I think that the elephant was just a bit excited for the yummy treats. I got straight back to feeding more vitamin balls to the elephants. See, she was really friendly, but just was a little too excited to get her treat. She wanted to eat all of them and not share, but I made sure all of the elephants got their vitamin balls.
Pick it up.
Yeah, pick up.
Okay, so
Kid Astray recommends visiting the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary in Thailand, where you can also help take care of my favorite animal, the elephant. Be sure to watch my other travel videos. See you next time, my fellow travelers.